Grass airdrop umabot sa 5 to 6 digits ang kinita na halos lahat ay pumaldo. So habang ikaw, ganito na lang palagi ang nasasabi mo.
Sana all.
So well, ito na ang chance mo. For today's video, gawin natin sabay-sabay itong 5 free DEPIN or node mining website. Pakihit na yung like button at atin na ang simulan. Tara! So unang susunod sa Grass, syempre Grass Network din. So nagsimula na ang Season 2 mining ng Grass. Ano ba ang Grass Network? So credits to BitGet for this information. So Grass is a network reimagining internet incentives by rewarding users for sharing unused bandwidth. Through its sovereign data rollup, it transforms raw web data into structured insights. So ganito lang siya gagawin, no? Click my link sa description or sa comment section. Mas okay siya sa PC or sa laptop. And kung wala ka namang laptop or PC, download mo yung Kiwi browser para ma-access mo ang mga extensions na kailangan dito. So dito sa Season 2 ng Grass, kung wala ka pang desktop node, okay lang naman gamitin ng extension. So sa akin kasi, gagamitin ko ang desktop node. Install lang natin yan. So pwede ito sa Mac OS, Linux at Windows. So dito sa MacBook ko, extension lang ang gamit ko. So okay lang yan. So okay dito, click mo lang yan. And connected ka na. Sa Kiwi browser naman, click mo tong icon na to. Scroll down ka para ma-download mo ang extension. So once downloaded, click mo to. Scroll down ka lang dyan and click Grass. Okay, next tayo, no? So ito naman ang gradient. Click mo ulit yung link ko sa description or comment section. So ano ba tong gradient network? So Gradient Network is an open-edge computing layer built on Solana, aiming to make computing services more accessible. So affordable and efficient for users worldwide. So blah blah blah, basahin nyo na lang. So once na-open nyo na yung website at naka-register na kayo using your email, click nyo lang yan, yung tatlong yan, para lagi kayong updated sa mga announcement nila. So to get your extension, click My Nodes. Then kapag first time user kayo, may lalabas dito sa port na to na link para ma-download nyo yung extension. So same lang yan sa Kiwi browser. So next tayo, Nodepay. So ano ba si Nodepay? So Nodepay is a decentralized network that empowers you to monetize your idle internet resources while contributing to the advancement of AI technology. So tulad ng dalawa kanina, nandyan sa baba yung link to get the website. Register your email, username, and password. So yan, pag first time user ka daw, follow mo daw si X account nila or additional points. Available na rin ng mobile app nila. Scan mo lang yung QR code nila dyan from the official X account nila, no? Mag-ingat po tayo kasi napakaraming fake and scammers dyan sa Twitter or sa X. So balik tayo, click nyo to para ma-download nyo ang extension. Add to Chrome, add extension, pin natin, then activate. So may mga missions dyan, gawin nyo lang for additional points. So next tayo. So next is Tagal Pro. So sign up using your email, same, first and last name, username, and password. So verify nyo lang and you're good to go. So ano ba ang goal ni Tagal? So sabi dito, Tagal's AI web automation revolutionizes the way you interact with the internet. Contribute to transform the digital workforce with Toggle to experience powerful automations. So once nakapag-sign up ka na, click here. Connect device para ma-download mo din ang extension. Add to Chrome, pin, And that's it. So next and last for today is Don. So register ka lang dyan using your email and password. So ano ba tong si Don? So yan, basahin nyo na lang yan. So download the extension and done. Follow their social media accounts for additional points. So kung magtatanong ka kung kailan ka kikita dito, well, may take months and years for that to happen. Mas mataas ang potential na kumita ka ng 5 to 6 digits tulad sa grass. So, but don't expect too much, no? Thank God na lang kapag big time ang bigayan tulad ng nangyari sa grass or sa Zeta at sa iba pa. So, this is free. Wala kang ilalabas na pera. So, always check their announcements and subscribe to my channel for updates. May mga Telegram airdrops din tayo for possible na pumaldo. So, nakalink dyan sa baba. And that's it for today's video. So, comment na lang kung may mga additional questions kayo. At itatry natin sagutin yan. Peace!
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all.